Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Multi-Skilled Electrician. Today we are doing a very short video about LED strip, or what some people call rope light. Okay, so there's the LED strip. It's an LED light. Okay, so it comes with a connector. There's a connector. You need a connector, okay, and where you connect to the lighting or the power point, okay. Okay, so we are going to put the LED light into the ceiling. Okay. And what? I bet me a corner. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so this is very simple. You just put it there because there's space in the POP or plasterboard ceiling where you can just put the LED strip. So you just lay it there. Hold on just a moment. Okay, let's go. Okay, so you continue to lay it down. Wait. Atwumbe go season, okay. So it's nicely laid to the ceiling. You will continue to lay it to the very last, and
Usually then you draw this one.
Okay, so when you get to the where you can cut it, then you cut it. Don't worry, we will put it back here. So we've gotten to the end of where the strip will end. So we will just cut here. We just cut where the scissor sign is. Okay, you can go ahead and cut it. Okay. Okay, so it's time to connect the PowerPoint. It's just simple. It's just a live and a neutral cable. That's brown and blue cable right there. So you just connect the brown to the brown color, and also you connect the blue color to the blue coming from the end. Okay, so after you join the cable, you tape it nicely to avoid the wires crashing together or coming together. Okay, you can leave it. I'll go and turn it on. Okay, so this the effect of the LED strip or rope lights. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Okay, so this will be the end of the video. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like what we are doing, and also click on the bell icon so that you will receive notification for our subsequent videos. Thank you, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.